When planning your college applications, there's 3 types of deadlines you need to consider. Early applications. The earliest applications are due November 15th, but can be due as late as December 1st. You'll find out the results to your application sometime in mid-December or as late as February 1st. Also, some colleges offer merit scholarships to kids who apply by the early action deadline, and some selective majors may fill a lot of their classes from kids who decide to apply early action. Regular decision. These applications are usually due January 1st or later. With these applications, there's no difference as to when you apply. You can apply as early as possible in the fall, but you won't get a decision until sometime in March. Rolling decisions. These colleges accept students on a first-come, first-served basis. With these colleges, it may be in your best interest to apply as early as possible because you'll get your decision sometimes just days after you apply. And with these colleges, you might get preferential treatment for housing or for certain majors if you apply early.